Welcome, everyone. Welcome to Vibes. Welcome, everyone. As you join in, like and share, and share. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Welcome, everyone. Like up the stream as you enter. Like the stream up. Just something I step on. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Guys, I have a slight headache, so I just have to just loose out my hair. Couldn't keep it up. Happy Wednesday, y'all. Happy Wednesday. Welcome. What's in the. What? Welcome, Nick. What I need. Room temperature water because I don't drink ice water. Welcome, everyone. Guys, go ahead. Thank you for the like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead, subscribe to the channel and turn the notification bell on. Welcome, everyone. Let me put this behind my back for the wall cool. Welcome, everyone. Like and share. Let me know where you're watching from. You know where you're watching from, guys. Thank you so much for the hearts. Thank you. Really appreciate it. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. Guys, I'm just here passing time. I'm just here passing time, guys. Working on my double H. Omar, welcome. Umar. Guys, I'm just, what's up? Nothing much. Omar Plummer. Welcome, guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, can you please go ahead subscribe to the channel, guys? I would really appreciate it. Malaks growing. See? Malaks. I have Malaks ketchup in two, like this. Just the front bit ketchup in two and the back just let down. But because I'm having a slight headache, I have to remove the hair tie from it. Now, that name here, so where you from? Mandeville? You're from Mandeville area? Omar Meta. Let me see if I Omar woman know I used to run taxi. Yeah, I've got locks now. No. I think I Omar woman. Cause when I got nursing school, me used to take it, me and my friend used to take him taxi like every single day. We have a special driver who would drive with it. Okay. Wait. I thought it was you. I thought it was the Omar I knew. Welcome everyone, welcome. Thumbs up the stream, guys, as you enter. Go ahead, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so as yet, and ensure that you turn on the notification bell. Guys, my fingernail them really short, but I tend to cut them down more. Guys, I dropped a video today over on Vibes with Juliana, with Vibes with Sexy Juliana. I dropped a video over there today, and I also dropped one today over on this channel. Just a little short video. Yeah, see, because the one come off. Welcome, welcome. How are you guys doing? There's a one silent stream. I gotta turn this tonight. I just turn it. I just turn it to TV. You know? But I gotta just make another one. No, I'm not gonna cut my flesh. Just my nails. I'm cutting it really short though. I like my nails to be really short, especially if I'm gonna need flour because when I eat from nobody will have long fingernail. Me sorry, my dear. My grow scornful, so things that I wouldn't want for myself, I'm not gonna do it to nobody. So I rather to have my nails really short, so there's nothing can wedge betwixt my nails, and it more easier to wash my hands properly. Yeah, I know that's why you said it, but I'm not gonna go too close. I'm just gauging it. Just if I can take off a little bit more. I'm not going down too low. I'm not eat for nobody with long fingernails. So because I'm not gonna eat for nobody with long fingernail, I'm not gonna cook get nobody with no long fingernail. And every day me cook the people. You know how much things wedge. You know how much things wedge betwixt your fingernail, dirt and all of these things. Yeah. You know how man eat from. Somebody wonder with a long hard fingernail. What? Me used to wear fingernail. Mom used to judge fingernail, but at that time, I have one little brush where I brush my nail with. But but over the years, my mind just turned from it. No, not a chef. Not a chef dear. Never got school for that. I got school to become a practical nurse. But where I live, I like cook and I would give like my neighbor and stuff like that. Likewise. So I rather to clean my nails. Clean. And plus, me married to a Rasta man were very skeptic. My husband, him scornful, just like how me scornful. Him scornful bad, so I have to be careful. Yeah, and with proper hygiene because guess what? It's when you have the long fingernail, there's no there's no way you can get to rub your hands because you know when you're washing your hands like you're supposed to rub your hands like your fingers like this betwixt your palm, right? So it push the soap and then you go like this. I don't know how many person know for some people or them wash them hand. That's not how you're supposed to wash your hand, you know. But save that for another time. But guys, learn how to wash your hands the right and proper way. All right, no. Okie dokie. So I think I may I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Not sure. But if I feel a little bit better tomorrow, I may dye my locks. Yeah, may dye it. Depends on, because right now I feel like making, like when time somebody can catch flu, that's all I feel. Feel like when time somebody catch flu. Right. Okay. That's how I had my hair earlier. Alright. One miss out to know, but welcome guys, welcome. Like and share the stream out, guys. Go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. Right. Hopefully tomorrow I may give you guys a cooking vlog. Don't hold me to that one. Cause sorry. Every time I say me gonna do a cooking live stream, I end up put it on my other channel. Because the other day, I started a live stream over here while I was cooking, and for some reason, my mind just tell me, say, here, well, just end the live stream here and just take it over to the next channel. But what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be also doing live stream over here. The problem is my iPhone, it a give me, it a glitch. It's glitching. Every time I try to do a live stream with it on YouTube, it a kick me off. I don't know what's going on with that phone, but it come like the phone they need a man or something. But I have to get rid of that phone there. The phone I have to go, I have to get a new phone. Have to get a new phone before December because I need to be putting out my contents. Can't bother if you use nobody phone for the video. That take up too much time. Want to have something proper where I can do my video, edit my videos, and upload them in real time. Me have to be waiting a time waiting long for it to upload and stuff like that. It doesn't make sense for me, to be honest. Uh-oh. Guys, me come like falling out as night come. More sleep. I don't know why. I'm in a fall. You know, some really have some bad habits. And let me tell you what one of my bad habits. Even though me alone, I am the only person that drink from my water bottle. Whenever I am gonna drink from it again, I tend to wipe the mouth off. I tend to wipe this area off. Even though I am the only person that will drink from my water bottle and will ever drink from my water bottle. I don't drink off of anything that anybody put their mouth on. The only person that I will allow to drink something from off my bottle is my husband, nobody else. Thomas, welcome. Huh? You. Me not even bother read out the comment the Lord. No, my dear. Cooking with Nicole, welcome. How you doing? Me just don't like people drinking off of stuff that I drink off of. Or when me I go drink off of, you're not supposed to put your mouth on it. But that's how I was grow up. That's how I grow up here. So certain bad habits I still do have them. I still do have certain bad habits. And the next thing, huh? Uh, yeah. As night come, me want sleep. And yeah, as night come, me want sleep. Mm-hmm. I mean, say it. Me remember what me, huh? Nobody a parent in ya. Guys, I don't know where the lizards here come from. But him up and about like him a parent in here. Yeah. I am good. And you? I'm good so far. When are you gonna start doing live stream, sis? You need to start doing some live stream. Me go WhatsApp you a morning. You need to start doing some live stream. Come, hold on. Oh, my phone over there, so I charge this mother. No, I'm not afraid of lizards, my dear. Lizard, and you can't do me nothing. I'm not afraid of them something there. No phone? Oh, what happened to your phone? Oh, hope you enjoy your trip. But you need to whatever, if you can go to the beach or the river, create a little beach vlog or little river vlog or something. And when you reach, you can post it, but make some content. And my phone goes, girl, I don't know what to them phone here now, you see, but as the phone them reach at Jamaica, couple months or a couple weeks time coming at the phone and I have no use. Phone no work in a cold climate for stay in a cold climate. Because just me, my phone, I don't know what happened to the phone, but anytime if I edit a video or if I shoot a video on the phone, it's like everything go the other direction. But yeah, I can't export a video when me edit the video now. Me do a video where me I wash my locks and the products that I use to wash my locks, and has me say me finish edit it and export it, it's not saving none at all. I cut down the video from 21 to 17, then it's still not saving. Me cut it down from 17 to 12 and it's still not saving. You know what I have to do? I had was to delete the video. And I tell you saying that video would be one of the best video because the quality, get the early morning, the sunrise in the early morning, and me have to end up and delete the video. So, in the early morning when you do video outdoor, you get a good quality. I am currently using a iPhone and an Android phone, and none of them will make one because the iPhone it want memory, and me try to use my credit card to buy memory, and for some reason it's not going out. This hour, it's something another. I can't remember what this, that Samsung is now, but it doesn't spell no sense. It doesn't spell no sense. So hopefully, if God spare life, hopefully we can able try get a phone by at least November to December, because my anniversary will come up and something. So I not even know what I not even know what I gonna do for my anniversary. Andre Brown, welcome. But the iPhone not give me no justice. None whatsoever. Right now, I have it a charger and um Google phone them bad. Okay. Right now, I tell myself say I don't but this time I don't want one next iPhone, but I don't think I want a next iPhone. And the reason why I never really get back a phone yet, is because I say I don't really want to leave from iPhone and go back to Android and stuff like that. But right now, I would work with an Android phone. Trust me, I would work with an Android phone because the Android phone, the qualities are good as well. The quality good. It's just how you care a phone. A matter of fact, not never really mash up from me. Not never mash up from me. I always have things until me get something, get a new one, me give it away. I don't know if you remember. I don't know if you remember this notebook. Remember this notebook from way back when? The only issue I have with this notebook right now is the lining in and some of the button them freeze, some of the button them can't. To me, Android better. Yeah, Android better. With the laptop here now, you have some lining going straight across. Some of the button them not touch. Some of the button them stop working. That's the only that's the only issue me have with it. So right now, me have to go try see if me can try get a laptop because without having a proper laptop, if you edit the video them, I'm not gonna get no good quality. You understand? And with the laptop you can able to change the background of the videos them. Like certain effects you, where you would get on the laptop, you don't get it on the phone. And there are certain editing apps where you can't get it on the phone, so you have to have a laptop to edit the videos. And trust me, this ending I here, I plan to push out some good quality videos because I want to start doing the interview like upcoming artists and stuff like that. So I want to have something good where me know say, all right, when I'm going out to do a interview, I have a good device. People not gonna say, oh, what is them a pay for and all of these things. I want to have good quality stuff where me can say, all right, me I go do an interview or me go do a video and me can say all right, when I come back in now me can sit down comfortable and I edit the video and me can say yes, I feel proud of myself. So me go make sure me invest in a proper software for edit my video. If I have to pay like, cause some of the editing apps, you have to pay maybe like $15 a month. Some of them it all depends on which app you're using. But if I have to buy the editing app, I have to go make up and buy it because you want good quality video to come up. Because trust me, you see if the quality of your video they don't good, YouTube now push the video out. And what I realized with YouTube, it's like if you're doing a video and when you do the thumbnail, you have to zoom up the picture real good. We come close as possible. Ensure that the writing that you're putting on, ensure that it's clear enough. Yes, when you do that, YouTube push your video to a wider audience. So me learn little things about YouTube because me test it and me try it. And you know what YouTube YouTube gonna tell me say about a clickbait because me do one video where me do me here and something but me zoom up the picture real good. It or me zoom it and the rest them they like behind like me put up two pictures but one me zoom up really, really close. So YouTuber said that a clickbait. But I'm not clickbait, because I when me see the rest of people them do, it's just oh you have to just find a way of forget YouTube to push your videos them out. Good quality pictures for thumbnail, because thumbnail are the first thing where people are gonna see before them even click on your video. And if when them click on the video and then realize in a spell no sense, they're not going to stay. Not even a minute, they're not gonna want to stay if you watch. So you have to ensure that the video not that boring. Not even so that boring, because you can have a boring video and people watch it, because guess what? You see, once your background settings is good and stuff, people like to fast. Put it that way. People like to fast. So you ever watch some video and you see some video on YouTube and you see the decoration or then decorate the place and something. Trust me, ask them back what the person say in the video, then can't tell you not what the person said because of the decoration them a look on. Them a look how the people them decorate them place, figure decorate for them place like that. So it's all about how you set up your place, when you're gonna do your video. So and yeah, for real, Thomas. Trust me. People now listen to the video. All they want to do, I check out the background so they can say, all right, so I like that paint up on the wall. I go try them two color there, and something. If you ask them back one question about the video, then I don't know if you tell you, because they never hear one thing because they get distracted. And I was watching this video where this young lady was showing how to get people for watch a video. Alright, it's like how I'm gonna have this plain wall here and stuff. She's she what she said is should like put like decorations. It's just like how you just may have the clock up here and the little flowers beside it. That's how she's saying that you're supposed to decorate the place. Have a little something that people can look on, because actually if I fast and want fast, then I come for watch the video. Then come for look on your background. And once I'm see the background, they will stay because they want to see what you're gonna bring next. Because if you do one video here so today and something tomorrow, obviously you're gonna come up with a different type of decoration. So these are the things that people, because a lot of people don't know how to decorate them place. They're afraid to use like certain colors and stuff like that. So they tend to watch people videos and do decoration. Copy the style by decorating their place. Exactly. But I like to try new stuff. I don't really like things that everybody in I'm gonna like crowded place. I don't like when place too crowded. But definitely, girl, I gotta bring out some river vlog and cooking vlog. So girl, I gotta do some cooking vlog outdoor. Want to do some outdoor cooking video. People tired if you watch indoor cooking. It's not, especially if you're here in Jamaica. People want to see them outdoor, yeah, cook outside and stuff like that. And like no, you tattoo me. Oh gosh. Alright, this week it's gonna be 2 weeks since I put it on. Saturday coming is gonna be 2 weeks since I put it on. It's still stripping and everything like that, finish as yet. But I love it. I love it. And you wanna know, so when girl I put it on, girl not even crying or not all, not even shed a little eye water, not even ow. Nothing at all. Girl, just lie down like a G. I didn't even use any numbing gel. Not even the numbing gel me never buy for use. Me just lie down. Yeah, me just lie down and just once I start, let me tell you. You see the other needle them, the needle where you use to draw blood, I'm afraid of them needle, you know. But you see, for some reason, I am not afraid of the tattoo needle. I don't know why. Because even when I tell them I'm afraid of me, like when I go doctor and I tell them something I really like the needle, I don't like nobody joke me and stuff. And they say, how you have a tattoo? I say, I'm not afraid of the tattoo needle. Because you see, once it go in your skin and it start, it's like it numb your skin like only a person who have a tattoo that can able to understand. It's like it numb your skin. So you see, as long as you're not taking a break, because when the guy they ask me if me want to take break, I say no, me don't want to take no break because me know so once me take break and you come back, this tattoo you got hot like heck. So I say no, here what you gotta do. You gotta just continue with that tattoo here. You gotta just finish lining out and finish shade it out. And for 3 hours, I lie down. I'm not gonna move, I'm not pee pee, nor nothing at all. I'm gonna hold up my pee pee. And something, I'm not like go use public bathroom and stuff like that. I'm gonna hold up my pee pee for the 3 hours. I'm gonna come back, when I come back on my yard, I'm gonna go use the bathroom and freshen up myself. Nope. I rather to inject people than people inject me because when I was working at the nursing home in a Christiana, me used to get insulin, but when it comes to nobody go near me with needle, me not like it. And when me da work as Senti at the nursing home, I do give insulin and stuff like that, but me just not like nobody come near me with needle. That's weird because if me can't able to drug somebody with needle, them should I can't able to do the same to me, but I don't know. It's just a weird thing from me a little bit of I don't like needle. So I not even know how me manage lie down for 3 hours. If you gotta put on one tattoo. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put one right here. I can put on tattoo right here. So I'm not sure if it's maybe if close to Christmas week or so. I'm not sure. But I know some mega put on one next tattoo. Thank you. You know, I don't tell me buy the back here. It's come as a set, you know. I think I want. Think $1,000 I pay for it. Make sure what the other one I get with it. Hold on. Alright. See the other one here when I get with it. So 876 Wagwan, welcome. So I get this. I'm gonna get a little size buckle. So I'm gonna get like 3 buckles. I obviously it look like me give away the smaller one, but me get these 3 bottles. Get 3 bottle for $1,000. But if you're gonna buy this on the road, then I go want to sell you 1 bottle for $1,000. I rather if you go in at the wholesale and go buy stuff. Cause mean I am not going to pay $1,000 for one. When me know so me can go in at the wholesale and pay me $1,000 and get 3 buckle or 2 buckle. And I have this buckle, I have these buckle about 2 years now. Yeah, 2 years. You see, if you want good stuff, you have to just walk at the wholesale and check out the prices. Because every wholesaler gonna give a different price. And you know, with my husband, when he a walk, he not just buy like how me would just walk in a once wholesale and just the first wholesale me see and just buy something and gone about my business. He walk from wholesale to wholesale. You know which wholesale sell cheaper than which ones. But I don't know if because I not really fancy downtown and stuff like that. So as me go at town, me want come back on my yard. So the first wholesale me see, I eat me always I should figure buy stuff after come home. Because even the other day I went to buy some stuff because me have these things when me I sell. Oh, me have these things when me I sell and something and let me show you. So I have these products that I am selling and I walk until me see because me see some very expensive and these well only I sell one of these for $500. I have different flavor. And I have all I have so I just show you a lotion and the shower gel. I have the big body wash and different flavor. Yeah, I'm not killing nobody. Nobody. Alright. So this one now, the big body wash are $700. And see, and these are good price. Some people are selling them for $1,000. But not selling for $1,000. More when time got ready for me. More when time got ready for me, me not fear something that I confess. You know when God ready for me, I feel do no bag of confessing and all and doing something that they're supposed to go home peaceful. Not supposed to worry about nothing at all. And but I sell the big body wash, but I sell it for $900. I'm say alright, I drop off something off of it. You understand? But on a good price same way. And I have like colognes and stuff when me go pick up. You don't come to Kingston. You know, today me if you go Kingston, but me never get to go because him that go Kingston. Me not sure when him a go back, but me not travel alone in a Kingston because I'm afraid. I'm afraid bad. I'm afraid bad. When I say coward, me not like Kingston none at all. But I have to find out from him when him a come. But you not even have no phone. And that's the problem. So I would have to find out from him when him a go Kingston or something. So I could have able to link up. Because I'm supposed to go Mandeville anytime next week. Not sure which day. I'm afraid bad, especially downtown. When you talk about coward, eh, when my husband tell me say my son me go buy goods, me tell him say if he want me for last him send me, can no matter how you must show me the way or something. Me not take it in because me no want to try set me down there by myself. Me on go know say you come you get me can got big tree. Papa Jesus. When me say me not try to know nowhere downtown. Honestly to God, I don't try to know nowhere in a Kingston because me just there's a fear with me when me easy panic, you know. Me easy panic. So through that, me not try to go nowhere out of the way. The least little place that me would go when me can go by myself and stuff like that, and me not feel too worried. Me would go like Linstead. But otherwise on that, from Linstead to Ochi, Mandeville, we will go anywhere in Mandeville. You understand? And Portland. But downtown, downtown half the limit for me coming. You know me once a coward, but you see true downtown a place where war kick off at any moment. That are one of the reason why I not too like downtown because when they start Lego can, you know, if you not come from down at them place there, you know, you're liable if you pick up can and me can't afford for that. Because when them a Lego can in a business, who you want catch? I live in Aruba, 16 years. Whoa, that's a long time. That's a long time. You supposed to know well Aruba. Me not come from Manchester, but you see Manchester, I love Manchester more than me love Portland. Trust me. Because you see Manchester people them loving. And that's a Portland people not loving, you know, but you see Manchester people, they look out for strangers. So, and I just me go and go nursing school and something. And me just love down there. Would I make one house in Manchester, man, I lie. I don't know, so cool. The only thing you have to worry about when time you catch certain hours, you have to ensure that you have a sweater because you would have come like so far in your life to all the place down there get cold. Give me a minute, guys. May I mute the mic a little bit? May I soon come? Welcome, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I can't afford to lean up on the cold wall here, so I feel cushion my back with the towel. But you see, Manchester, cool. You see, especially a Coleyville side. When me used to live a Christiana, and me I wake up a morning time for go bed, for go work. Lord Jesus. I say, if and the people in work me I go upon, would have to go tidy me not lie because me tell you say The water, I when me bathe in the water, the water cold like a ice. Me not like bathe with the hot water because so when you bathe with hot water and something, you're liable to catch cold. Cause when you bathe with hot water, you have to tip a little salt in it that you don't catch cold and stuff like that. I'm gonna like really bathe with hot water because when me what parish you live in? St. Catherine, but I'm originally from Portland. Live in Mandeville for quite some while. Went to nursing school there, but now married live in St. Catherine. Aye. But when I said cool, it 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 cool. I remember when I just go Mandeville, and something. I not tell lie, when I just go there, but I have to beat the hot water. But when me use hot water, it make my skin feel away. It come like me not bathe when me use hot water. So me have to just face up and bathe in the cold water. If Portland water cold too, Portland water cold bad too. Because you see, especially because me live near the sea and a river there nearby too. I live on the hilltop, so say all of them the cold breeze there. You know, where I live? Where I live at Portland? Because I live at St. Catherine and I live at Portland too. Alright, so let's make that part clear. You see, where I live at Portland? You don't need no fan at all. Because you can sleep with the door wide open to all the nobody not really do nobody nothing. Most like in them St. Catherine area you'll find thief and something. You not really find a thief and them things there. A country when in that country and you do hear about one little thief and something, you must know say you lock up your place and you gone for a good while and you just decide say him a go raid the place. But otherwise from that, people not really trouble nothing for nobody like that. And more likely people when I come from the area do most of them things there. But out of everywhere where else when I go work and live, when I live in Manchester. I rather Manchester than Portland, honestly. Kingston, you have better opportunity here in Kingston. And same thing with Manchester as well. You have a better opportunity because, for instance, the only thing women I like with Portland, you see, like for instance, you say you want to go back to school and stuff like that. You not have the preference where you can say, all right, me shop around and see with school and with school. It's just one school there for you to pick and choose from. You understand? So with in a Mandeville now, you have so many places where you can go a class. Here in Kingston is the same thing. Because even right now, may I consider if I go back, figure do the RN course. And it all depends on if my mind a change because man I get no younger. I'm can't bother with day in a classroom for long period for go say me go back go study for do RN. Which me sorry sir the mistake that I made after I finish nursing school, I should they just continue my education. I should me take no time off because I say me take time off. I graduated 2017 and something. Me jump in a work. A matter of fact, before me graduate, me I work. So I work for in about 2015, 14, 15, me I work. And something. And the longest place me work in a nursing home, Christiana. There's some. But do private care as well. but I prefer private care because with private care, you don't have no whole heap of patient to take care of. When I work at the nursing home, they might tell you say 9 patient to 1 nurse, and that a stupidness. So that make me even consider if me fi even say me go jump back in a one nursing home because me not like hospital. That's why I rather to work at the nursing home, to be honest. Because when me go hospital, me seems to have a panic attack for whatever fear or trauma, whatever it is. I don't know why. Hey sis, welcome. Um, me want me do some collabing sis, but me don't know. Me not tell you when me a come Portland. Cause me know what you me tell you so me a come Portland, and then as me say me a come Portland, my back just start hurt me. So me just say me not, me not tell you when me a come Portland. But YouTube have a feature now where it all can have the same video on our channel doing collaboration. So I want me do some collaboration. But I want check out how much we do the facial, how the spa down a brown book there so. So I gotta ask my friend to check it out for me. But me want me do one video. Anyway, guys, like and share the stream out. Also, go ahead, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so as yet. It's almost an hour since me the online, but it's not bad. Alright, let me show you something. Let me take on that. So I'll show you something. Alright, but the online and see. This is the amount of person who pass through my live stream, and me not reach an hour yet. This is the total person on the live stream right now. Alright, so 442 person come through the live stream, which that is not bad. That ain't bad at all. That channel there, you know, a better channel than my main channel. Even though I'm not lie still, because with my main channel, since me start the back these type of content and stuff like that, start doing about my live stream, me start getting more views and stuff. And less mix up because I know my channel being a mix up channel. I can't bother with the mix up content them. And then if I edit out them whole bad over there from what I video, I can't manage that, yeah, man. Because sometimes when you edit out the bad them, you end up edit out all piece of the conversation with them are talk about or something. So you can't bother with that. I rather to make my own content, and a matter of fact, YouTube demonetize that channel here. This channel for reuse of content. So because YouTube demonetize that channel here for reuse of content, me no want to use nothing for nobody. If I don't create it, I don't want to use it. Just that me I go on with right about now. Anyway, guys, as soon as it catch the 1 hour exactly, may I come off. Because I want to go to my bed. I should have gone to my bed already because normally by 8, 9 o'clock I go to my bed. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. See? The view is going up. See? It's going up. 452. That's not bad. If your channel when I come do a talk, sit down and talk, live stream for a long while. Because normally I do live stream, but a silent stream because I was going to put this on silent stream since night. And when I look, I see 16 person on the live stream. So that's how I just say, all right then, I'm not gonna put it at no silent stream yet. I'm gonna just go and sit down and fly my mouth for a while. Yeah, Sometimes I'm out bust up in her and next time when I like do the talking. That I just mean. I am a very reserved person. I like to observe and talk less at times. So, guys, thank you so much for being a part of my brand. Thank you for coming over to Vibes with Juliana. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please go ahead, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I drop a video. All right, it has been 1 hour and 1 hour, 1 minute. I am gonna end this stream and I will definitely do another stream maybe tomorrow morning. It all depends on how I feel. But if I don't do a sit down and talk video, I will definitely do a silent stream. Love you all. Bye. Have a good one, guys.